Genuinely the most upset I've been in a very long time. Okay, well, upset is too harsh. Frustrated. Um, so many things today happened that just led to this being just a sigh of a trading day. Just like, really, bro. Um, you know, not the loss itself, but how we ended up losing, what ended up happening. I'm gonna break everything down. Ended up shorting ES instead of NQ at the exact same time. I don't know why I would have done that. This week would have been an amazing week. It still was, but right now I'm basing it based upon P&L. This week would have been an amazing week, having gone from losing the first additional trades to having refined our model and then improved, and then ended the week, you know, more in green, or whatever. Anyways, but why else am I frustrated? Oh my gosh, this didn't even. So, first off, ended up shorting ES. No one to blame except for myself for that. Now we had mechanical errors. Oh my gosh, bro. Trade Sinker, you suck. You guys need to fix your platform. I execute, was supposed to copy a 3x multiplier across 4 of my evaluations. Didn't do that at all. Set my take profit in SL. Didn't do that at all. I didn't realize until my main account got stopped out. I had to go to every single account, close each trade manually. I ended up losing 20% on each account more than I would have liked to. Didn't copy contract size like I just said. Didn't copy TP or SL. Like, bro. Like, bro. So frustrating. Anyways, here's the P&L. Ended up removing ES from my chart fully. Will never, ever, ever trade ES. And on top of that, I double checked my data just to reconfirm. I have no wins on ES. So that's even more confluence to permanently remove trading ES for good. And I also looked into it. My model relies on liquidity, you know, and us displacing quickly toward low resistance liquidity. ES isn't the best for that pertaining to my specific model, mainly due to the larger order book. You know, it's so never ever trading ES ever again. Today would have been an amazing day. The title literally would have been like, I don't know, made like 4 bands. And then Trade Sinker. This is what we got going on Garbage Sinker. One sec. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this is what we got going on Garbage Sinker. Absolute trash. It's so garbage. Um, didn't even multiply the accounts, so maybe looking to go to Traders Connect instead. I just went to Trade Sinker because everyone was like, "Oh my goodness, Trade Sinker's so good." No, it's my mindset about this like, oh, I'm not gonna win anymore. No, like, I know if I keep trading, I'm gonna do completely fine. You guys have literally seen my improvement live from when I started the week, or even a week and a half ago, to where I am now. And now I actually have genuine clarity and understanding about my model. Now do I have full clarity and understanding about my model? Not fully yet. Still a couple more review sessions I need to do before I get there. But definitely filtered out probably at least 40% of my losses just based upon how I've refined my model today. No additional scaled contracts based upon my new scaling in rules. Price was perfect. This trade idea was actually an A plus trade idea. I'm not gonna knock the trade idea. I'm just pissed that I took it on ES, bro. Um, Not pissed. I don't like the word piss. I don't want you guys to think like I'm on tilt. Like, oh, I'm angry and I want a revenge trade. Like that's not when I say pissed, I never mean like, oh, I want a revenge trade or oh, I'm genuinely mad about the trading day. Like in an hour. I mean, I already forgot about it because I went on Instagram, started brain rotting, but like I mentioned it again, so I just remembered. But in like an hour, I'm gonna forget about it, and it's just gonna be in the back of my mind. Like, yeah, it happened. Well, whatever. All we could do is keep trading, right? You know, it is what it is. But is it frustrating? Yeah, for a second it is. But let's get into it. So starting off on the higher time frames, it's actually when approaching the trading day. I already flagged it as a mid probability trading day, mainly because we had these all-time highs and this um, lower time frame, low resistance liquidity we were looking to take out. We SMT'd off of ES. You could see the clear SMT. I used to judge SMTs based off of which pair was the stronger, correlating pair, blah blah blah. That's all BS. Just take the SMT. I can't believe that I traded ES. I still can't believe that, bro. Like, you guys would have been seeing a winning trade recap, and yeah. Anyways, going into market open, we have displacement higher. You can see ES continued higher toward these all-time highs. This was the image. I literally, bro, I'm so frustrated because I read the market like a book, literally like a book. When approaching the market, I read it like a book. Like, I cannot make this up. I genuinely cannot make this up. I draw out the images every single morning of what I want to see happen, and it happens exactly. Same thing happened today. Literally, I already knew ES would be, or NQ would be the weaker correlating pair. I knew exactly how it would develop. I knew exactly what draw we would go to. It's genuinely frustrating. This happened. Then guess what? I didn't end up shorting here because I knew it wasn't right. Price action came back up, took out the high. This is, bro, by the second, literally by the minute, I had all this down. Display slower, bang, takes out our own liquidity. Like, it's just frustrating. It's not like it sets me back anything. It doesn't set me back at all. If anything, it set me up because now I know permanently to never trade ES again. A frustrating mistake I had to take, but is what it is. I'm fortunate enough and blessed enough to be able to read the chart, but I also put in the time in order to do so. But yeah, that ended up happening. This is how higher time frame looked. What ended up happening is we SMT'd off of these internal highs right here, and all-time high. That was the confidence to go short. Then I ended up going short. Would have looked to target this low right here. Low hanging fruit. Easy. 1 to 2 R on the day. Would have been no skilled in contracts because price didn't retrace at all. Would have been one and done. That didn't happen though, so it is what it is. Anyways, that was today's trade recap. I am so stupid, bro. And then having lost more than I wanted to with TradeSync, like, bro, I had to go in on every single account and add an additional 8 contracts to each account. And I didn't realize till 20 minutes after. Like, bro. And on top of that, the P&L wasn't even updating in real time on TradeSync. Holy, this platform is trash. I knew the 1-star reviews were like important to read and I read them. But I thought, just outliers. It's 17%, by the way. No, this platform is garbage. I'm going to Traders Connect. Hopefully they have Trade-O. Actually, we're going to check right now. Traders Connect. For $50 a month, too. Are you pissing me? You might as well turn around and peg me at that point. Like, what are we doing here? Public beta is good enough for me. So, anyways. See you guys on Monday. I will see you guys in today's review. Oh my gosh, I can't believe today, bro. So frustrating.